So I'm going to show you guys how to remove rust from your car and paint it all in under 5 minutes. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and get you some 60 grit sandpaper. So the first thing you want to do is locate the area and then grab your sandpaper and start sanding it down. Grab you some isopropyl alcohol, spray it on there, clean up the area really super good, clean up the whole entire area. Grab your favorite primer, just go ahead, spray that on down, let it dry, make sure you let it dry. Okay, so now that that's dry, what you want to do, hit it up again, spray light coats. Spray you another coat of primer. Light coats, remember, light coats. Alright you guys, so once it's dry to the touch, go ahead and break out your paint. Alright guys, so once it's dry, go ahead and hit it up with another coat of paint. Spray a little bit more on it this time, but not too much, you don't want it to run, okay? So now I'm going to do one final coat, and that is going to be it. Just like that, that is how you sand down a rust spot on your car. Make sure that it's flat smooth and make sure that it's clean. Spray your primer, then spray your paint, and when it's completely dry like my phone, then then you're ready to go to the car show. So because I didn't mask anything off, I don't have to sand down anything at all. There's going to be no ridges at all, but I would like to show you guys what a ridge is. Now this is why you should always mask off an area and make sure that you roll the tape a little bit. Do not ever let the tape line go straight down. This is why. So at the factory, they painted this silver and then they painted over it white and then they left the tape on. This is why. You should always roll your tape. This is from the factory like this. They painted the silver, then they painted the white. That is all that I got for this video. If you guys did like it, be sure to leave a big old fat hairy thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.